Punjabi Suba. It's quite important. Punjabi Suba है. Punjabi Suba क्या जरूर जरूरत को समझाओ. तो Punjabi Suba was Yasmans. Dimans Sikh majority also. वो पाला महाराष्ट्र ना उसको resolution but state पे और उसकी committee जो before I move to other states how it has been created and all. आज second बार कुछ हमारा क्या क्यों बना है? इनसे बना है manifesto. The Akali Dal manifesto to the SRC declares the true test of democracy, in the opinion of the Shiromani Akali Dal, is that the minorities should feel that they are really free and equal partners in the destiny of their country or state, to bring home a sense of freedom to Sikhs. It is vital that there should be a Punjabi speaking language and culture. The Shiromani Akali Dal has reason to believe that Punjabi speaking province may give not Punjabis but Sikhs the needful security. I may not in this state banane linguistic आधार पर thus language can determine which part should become a separate state and which part should not become a separate state. It was when first Punjab was created that the first state was created on the basis of religion. It was against religious ethnicity. It was against religious minority of separate state. Then, वहाँ की misnomer थे इतना. क्या इसकी पंजाबन मुख state, हरियाणा में ये पंजाब में पढ़ो पंजाब, हिमाचल बनमो का अलग state, तो हरियाणा के बनमो का अलग state. हालांकि हिमाचल तो हरियाणा में मुझे अलग अलग states हैं. Next time आज मंगा. अच्छा. वहाँ कुछ तो हमारा तो next time साथ ना तो name game साथ काम किसी बना है. Then they are always saying that तो इसे वारियर कमिलू. Then कमिलू kan खतर न सकते state वहाँ बनाने की. तो उनका शुभर्टस मंस या सत्तर्टस मंस ओस आसाम अकोई state. Surrey state, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, यमना imagine seven sisters shit. ये उस अकोई state. आप उसमें बेहतरीन state. आक agitation हमारा कर चालू लूटा. कि मोदो पे भाई as दिवसा पनल state. Nagaland and most सारे नोट as दिव पनल state. Agitation हमारा करे. Surrey हमारा पनल state. Why हमारा का बात में जो कि इनसे ये लाकिट से ना इनसे north east में जिमन जने इस मनांचे इमना seven sisters इस मनांचे. ये मोहम्मद हमारा बुपारी है. I will read it for you. This says the ethnic people of northeast were up in arms and some literally were and demanded separate state for separate ethnicities. We are also a separate ethnicity. Language at the basis had been thrown to dogs. Nagaland was the first state to be created, but our considerations lie elsewhere. The representative of hill districts, yes, hill districts, please mark this, which were till then hill towns, expressed the hope of forming their own state. Far-fetched as it may seem for Ghasis, Jantias and Shatik tribes to form a state of Meghalaya, it did happen in 1970. Autonomous Meghalaya state was established, which later became a full-fledged state. Meghalaya is not a trade district. ज़्यादा district सिर्फ वो स्टेट है. मचुन में मेघालय क्यों ना? मगर इस ये मिजो हिल district जो सिर्फ अकोई district. किस district का हमारा जो तो आठ state ऐसे इस तरह से वारिया अच्छा पर वारिया ज़्यादा there were only 70,000 people living in Mizoram at that point of time. If Mizoram can be a state, the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir is 100 more times tenable than the state of Mizoram that has been created from a small hill district. This also, this you can say as a once then they come to the constitution. A constitutional प्रावधान. तुम्हारा I do not want to make it too आत्मचुना व्यापक चीज़. Article 370 है सर. Article 370 हमारा even the pata for them. Possibly in this hall people may know, but there are a lot of other people, you बच्चे दिल में, you possibly ये सारी believe कर कि Article 370 should cover क्या. And the Article 370 is special, no doubt about it, but it is temporary. Please understand, it is temporary, and time and again the Indian dominant has a lien over Article 370. It can be removed in one stroke. It does not need some great. The President of India by a written order can remove Article 370. Actually, the board can. Ishun Khada and Sudni Serpent Avaz ke hi in badlav ye mara hi hata. Manchun mein I will again go. Formation of states पर क्या चीज़ constitution हमारा ये बार थोड़ा boring मगर तो ये बार पे. It says Parliament may by law form a new state by separation of territory from any state or by uniting two or more states or parts of states by uniting any territory to a part of any state, provided that bill for the purpose shall be introduced in either house of parliament except on recommendations. So that means parliament has the power. As such, Jammu Kashmir has one constitution. It is unfortunate that we still have a constitution. But regarding that, I will read what is the. It says nothing in this instrument shall empower the dominant legislature to make any law for the state authorizing the compulsory acquisition of land for any purpose, but I hereby undertake that should the dominant for the purpose of a dominant law which applies in the state deem it necessary to acquire any land, I will at their request. This is Maharaja. This is the instrument of accession, which is later incorporated in the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir. I will at their request acquire the land at their expense, or if the land belongs to me, which is the state of Jammu and Kashmir today, transfer it to them on such terms as may be agreed in default of agreement, in default of the earlier agreement, determined by an arbitrator to be appointed by the Chief Justice of India. So anybody now who says that by Article 370 is an impediment should understand this, that Article 370 is not an impediment. Even if Article 370 says whatever it says, still then land in the state of Jammu and Kashmir can be acquired by center as and when the center wants to. हमारा बहुत बार क्वेश्चन है, सेंटर कैसा है, इन कैसा दिन होता है लैंड सुबह में ऑलरेडी कैस के अगर मिजोरम से जमीन दिन तो पन कश्मीर से जमीन दिन यानी 30 बढ़ कर क्या मतलब ना ये जमीन दिनों वहाँ बनी होता है मान तो जम्मू कश्मीर असेंबली नशा कोर ने ये पास किया मतलब मैं तो 2 मिनट तक तब ऐसा जम्मू कश्मीर असेंबली हमारा बोल नशा कराने पास किया तो इसलिए हमारा क्या था ना जब अगेन वी गो बैक टू द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन व्हिच सेज नथिंग इन द आर्टिकल्स 249 and 250 shall restrict the power of the legislature of state to make any law which under the constitution has the power to bear, but if any provision of law made by legislature of the state is repugnant to any provision of a law made by parliament, which parliament has under either of the said articles power to make the law by parliament, whether passed before or after the law made by legislature of the state shall prevail, and the law made by the legislature of the state shall to the extent of the repugnancy, but so long as only as the law made by parliament continues to have effect, be inoperative. And but Maharaj, honestly there are no questions and answers which remain, which should be asked. But still, I am sure people will say, hey, ऐसा क्यों तो है? You know, it is a long drawn shot. या जनते मरान छे, आज सच्चे आज साल के वक्त, इना सच्चे ने कैसा आंसर one very much कैसा का? I will simply read conclusions and then if you have any questions, I would be happy to answer. It says that states and union territories can be created not just on basis of linguistic similarities or dissimilarities, but on the basis of preservation of ethnicity and in some cases religious identity of a particular group. The formation of union territory state is purely the prerogative of the parliament, and even if the state legislature only the new territory is to be carved out, votes the proposal out, the president can only seek their views. He doesn't need them to approve it. Yet the supremacy of the parliament will prevail. The proposed union territory of Jammu and Kashmir has a valid reason to be established because it will help stop the erasure of unique ethnic culture and tradition of the Kashmiri Pandits. वंश हमारा कितने बने हुए इतना डॉक्टर अभिषेक बोल गया ऐसे सा गई शिवराज सिंह चौहान अस्निश तिमोसापुर पास. There is a certain time in history and certain favorable dispensation ये तो है वजन हमारा ये मलेशिया वजन तो है सरकार जो बदलान सरकार टाइम जो बदलान. We are seeing how the middle class or the civil society is reclaiming its space in India today. आज समय असमंस जो आज समय ये न बोल हम साथ जन ये पार्लियामेंट असमंस करने instead of going to the state legislatures मोने आज state कर दोयम state करे. But I am more hopeful. I am very hopeful that in times to come there will be a parliament, there will be a dispensation at the center which will look forward to, let's say, assimilating the cause of Kashmiri Pandits as the cause of this country and not separate from the country. Kena आज चाह left leaning liberal Imran Nehru vians Imran Vishan चे अलग में पता नहीं शेखर जैसे साफ मोहम्मद नहरू सुन Having said that, so there is every provision of law. The law is not an impediment. Article 370 is not an impediment. The Constitution, with one single amendment, can make the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Now it depends on us. It does not depend on Constitution. बाकी बीच में आप request है ना मेरे दोस्त चेतिन activist, really it is worthless. It is worthless. It is not worth your time to argue with such people. It is, they are already living in Stockholm syndrome. इनकी तिमन मरकर में रोज़ा एक न मंद बीच. तिमन बेचारे से हर गम सब. तिमन से बहस करें इच्छु मारा आत्मना जिस वजह पर महफिल कहती आत्मना दुष्परस करें चाहे. This is not to be done. Please concentrate on your own thing. Produce documents and fight on the street rather than answering these people. It's a wastage of time. If there are any questions, I'm glad to answer.